All right, people, this is the most important part of class today. Let's go ahead and watch and see what the correct answers to this review was. So first of all, I need to preview this. Sorry, I don't want to change it. There we go. Okay, so we're going to fill this out together. Hopefully you put your first and last name. That is very important. Make sure you do that. I'm going to say for kicks and giggles that I am 7th period. And then let's get to our quiz questions. Again, this is the practice. Listening to the story, which reason is not why Jessica ate unhealthy food? Well, yes, college made it harder for her to eat healthy, so it's not A, because that was true. Unhealthy food was everywhere. That was also true. She was too busy to cook for herself. That was true. She didn't like the way healthy food tasted. It never said that. That's not one of the reasons why she ate unhealthy food. So it is D. How did the unhealthy food make Jessica feel? Well, it made her feel very tired, okay? Made her feel very, very tired, which is actually something true. If you eat very unhealthy, you're going to feel more tired. What was the first thing she decided to do when trying to go healthy? She stopped drinking coffee. That was the first thing she tried. And I got to say, I got to give it to Jessica because I don't think I could do that. I love coffee. I love the taste of it, and I love how it feels inside of me. So she gave it up, but personally, I don't think I'd do that. Overall, how has Jessica felt since she started eating healthy? Well, I'm going to go ahead and repeat that question in my answer. Since Jessica began eating healthy, she has felt energized. She has energy now. All right, so next is fill in the blank. They a lot of effort in the relationship by spending a lot of time together. You're putting a lot of effort in something, putting a lot of time in something, that's going to be invest. They invest a lot of effort in their relationship. Sally's for getting good grades is to make her parents proud. Why is she wanting to get good grades? Well, that's her motivation, okay? Because she wants to make her parents proud. Blank is a funny word. To some people, it may mean a lot of money. For others, it's family. Or it might be freedom to be themselves. It is kind of a funny word because success is something that is different for everybody. It might mean a big house. It might mean a nice car. It might mean just having a family. What does success mean for you? Is it for you to get all 5.0 WIDA score this year? We're going to say, is it realistic? Is that something that can actually happen? I think for a lot of you, it can. Just you got to try a little bit. The substitute had the to play after the starter got hurt. He has the chance. He has the opportunity. The runner was tired, but to the end of the race, this runner persevered to the end of the race. She fought even though she was tired. He had a pretty routine of eating eggs, bacon, and toast every morning. If it's something that this person's doing every morning, it's consistent. All right. He has a pretty consistent routine. The boxer was in the way he kept fighting, even though he kept getting knocked down. That is resilient. All right. He keeps getting punched, but he keeps coming back up. Multiple choice is your definitions. This word means the reason why someone does something. This is their motivation. Okay. Next, we have this word means the general mood and thinking a person has towards life or something or someone. That's your attitude. A behavior that is done often and frequently is consistent. This word means a strong wanting in being successful. When you really, really want to be successful, you have ambition. The word involves a lot of time, effort, or money being put into something. That's invest. This word, trying, means trying even though something is difficult. That's persevere. Sorry, I got distracted. Something you're trying to do and achieve, that's target. And this word means succeeding, feeling one's best, doing really well. That is thrive. So choose 4 of your vocab words to use in a sentence. I'm going to say, let's go with dedicated. Sweet is dedicated to her schoolwork this year. She is really loyal to it. She's trying really hard with it. Let's see. Let's go with target. One of my targets this month is reading before I go to bed every night. That's actually true. My wife and I don't want to just watch Netflix before we go to sleep. We want to do something productive. Vaughn has had a good attitude ever since she got a puppy. That would make me have a good attitude too. And then finally, let's see. Let's go with Cross's motivation for being a good basketball player is to impress his girl. Gotcha, Cross. Make sure when you are writing, do not copy my examples. You will not get credit for that. So make sure you come up with your own examples. Race. This is really important. This is the parts of race. Restate the question, answer the question, cite and explain. You have to get all 6 points. You have to have the R, so the restate. The A, that's the answer. The C, that is cite. The E, that's explain. So that's 4 points right there. And then the other 2 are going to be how many sentences you have. You must have 5 sentences here, okay? So do you think kids should have phones, specifically in school? Explain reasons using the tests. Let's do our R. I think kids should have phones in school. So there's my R. Now I'm going to do my A, my answer. I do not think kids should have phones in school. Now let's go our C, our cite. Why do you think that? Well, reading the paragraphs, why do you think that? I'm going to say the second paragraph talks about how teachers say phones are distracting. And then the E, this is your explain. This is so true. If students had their phone or have their phones in class, they would never get anything done. I sound like an old man writing this and making this answer. So then finally, again, I'm still on my E. This is so true. If students have their phones in class, they would never get anything done. Plus, they might cheat on quizzes. These are the reasons why students should not have phones in class. That's it. And that is all for the review. So hopefully when we went through that, you got most of them right. Hopefully some things were made clear to you. What you're going to do now is, so this is the slide that you're on. You're going to do the think about it. That's a Pear Deck answer. Just tell me, what part of the review did you do well on? Was it the listening? Was it the writing? What part of the review can you do better with? Maybe it's the vocab. Maybe it's the multiple choice. Maybe it's the listening. I don't know. So answer that real fast. Then you're going to choose one of these to practice your words on. I don't care which one you pick. If you want to do definitions, I would do Kahoot or Quizlet. If you want to do the example sentences, I would do the Gimkit. Okay? After you've done one of these, go ahead and go to that last slide, fill out your exit ticket. After seeing the correct answers to the review and doing a review game, how do you feel about tomorrow's quiz? That can be a 1-sentence answer, okay? Good luck studying tonight, and we will see you tomorrow for the quiz. Good luck. Adios, people. Goodbye.